to our final office tour.
हम देते रहेंगे office
देते रहेंगे, but you start with an orange door to another orange door.
As you know, we love orange.
Yeah. So we
orange
wanted,
doors.
you know, if Patangir color is orange, so we had to make sure the first thing you interact with is orange.
Yes, greetings
and,
from
and
Nepal.
grey, and grey, yes. Got this from Nepal. We have finally completed our office space to the T.
To
The T. Why do they say to the T?
because tea is very perfect.
Okay. Anyways,
Straight and
we
clean.
have, now everything is completed and we want to start off with the main area. Everything in this office that you see has been made from scratch other than the chairs.
Yes. Like this planet.
Yeah.
This is the calendar which we don't use all the time, to be honest. Like ये चीजें लिखी
ये लॉकडाउन में इस्तेमाल हुआ था।
ये पिछले साल से लिखी हुई और हमने अभी तक जो है ना ये हटाई नहीं है।
Yeah.
So yeah, this is solid wood table made of cane wood, and you know, as you can see,
Actually, it's a
we
mixture of different woods.
Acha, I was told it's scale, but it's not. And as you can see, there's no polish on it because we wanted the whole raw feel.
Oh yeah.
And
Look at this matte black. Perfect
a
switches.
charging station,
Wireless.
wireless charger for our phones.
We waited 1 year to find the right switches.
Yeah, मिल ही नहीं रहे थे.
मिल ही नहीं
Finally, we found them online from Lahore.
From Lahore, yes. I found them on a random Instagram shop. I don't even remember it anymore. So if you're gonna ask me, I don't know.
Yeah.
Amtul's addition is always color in this office.
And some character. I always bring character. You know that.
Because I guess I have no character. So Amtul brings the colors. These are from Hunza. Community table was very important for us because we knew a lot of our meetings, our brainstorming, everything's going to happen here. And when you enter to it, you know, you need to feel like this is a place where you want to sit down and work. You know, it has a lot of natural light. We made sure that we kept our windows open.
Yeah, they have a nice big window, so a lot of natural sunlight.
भाई जब आप ऑफिस बनाने जाएं, you have to save money smartly. Don't compromise on the quality.
But do your research.
But do your research because a lot of times these big stores they'll just put a price tag and you think this is the only place it's available.
And बहुत दफे ये भी होता है कि like you're in a hurry, you want to finish your office, and but it's okay, give it time. जैसे हमने भी एक चीज 2 महीने, 6 महीने,
about
एक
time.
साल बाद आई. So yes, these are the lovely bar stools जो हमें 2 साल लगे ढूंढने के लिए because again
I hounded that guy. I remember I would message him every month like barstools aa gaye.
we got them from Index.
Yes, we got
if
these from
anybody is
Index.
wondering.
But I don't know when is the next time we'll ever get anything like this again because
But you can give it a shot.
5 आए थे for some reason. They weren't even like 3.
क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग apparently people don't use bar stools that much in Karachi.
This is an upside down granite top. Yeah, it's upside down. Like if you look at the bottom, it's
Bottom is the
it's
shiny
like
part.
polished part. Remember when I placed the order, they were like, "Are you sure कि यही side आनी है?" I'm like, "Yeah." They're like, "इसको
उल्टा
polish नहीं
लगाना
करना?" I'm like, "नहीं."
And the raw feel.
Raw feel, yeah.
Raw but clean.
But again, it was important for us because we wanted different levels of sitting. When you're having a brainstorming session or you're just sitting and you want to talk, एक बंदा यहाँ हो सकता है, एक बंदा वहाँ हो सकता है, एक बंदा वहाँ हो सकता है, right? The lockers.
Lovely lockers, vintage style. ये भी कहीं नहीं मिल रहे थे हमें. ये भी हमने from scratch
हमने बहुत ढूंढा
बनवाए हैं.
हाँ हमने बहुत ढूंढा सोचा कि यार कहीं पुराने स्कूल के लॉकर्स होंगे उनको हम साफ सुथरा करके कर लेंगे बट अपेरेंटली यू डोंट गेट डबल गिल लॉकर्स हियर यस आई वी वांटेड 2 गिल्स विंटेज लुक तो हमने फिर कस्टमाइज्ड लॉकर्स ये बनवाए इनको बहुत टाइम लगा बनाने के लिए आई थिंक इनको 3 महीने लग गए क्योंकि
2 दफा बने थे
2 दफा बने थे दे पुट इट इन पेंट एंड देन द पेंटर फॉरगॉट it in the bhatti which is what would you call a bhatti in Urdu in English anyways the painter forgot the lockers in the bhatti and they all got messed up so then we had to redo them And at one point, I cannot tell you enough.
We thought कि नहीं बनेंगे.
We were going to give up on these lockers.
And this actually serves two purposes. इसके पीछे bathroom है हमारा. So you know, like when you come out the bathroom, थोड़ा वो सब देख रहे हैं मुझे. So this is like a good like a divider between this and the bathroom, and of course it's actually a storage space.
Yeah.
People हमेशा हमसे पूछते लोग इसके अंदर आप कुछ रखते हैं?
इसमें कुछ देखिए
बहुत कुछ
दूसरे नहीं खोलेंगे क्योंकि वो बहुत गंदे हैं, लेकिन आप ये देखिए. नहीं
इसमें बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं, बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं. ये हमारी स्टेशनरी है, जूते हैं और हमारी ये मर्च इसके अंदर छुपी हुई है जो हम दिखाओ नहीं सकते.
It's perch, not merch. Well, now coming to the bay window area. Is that what we're gonna stick to call? We're gonna call it bay window area now. Yeah, the bay window area. Big area
and the
that
camera,
everybody,
the vintage wall.
That everybody Instagrams. Everybody
The
wants
Instagrammable Patangir wall or the vintage wall. Talking about things taking time. This speaker, इसको literally हमें 3
This
साल
is the
लगे.
newest addition to our office.
3 साल लगे. And so we were like, हमें यही वाला speaker चाहिए.
This table was designed around this speaker.
And everything was finished and the speaker wasn't here because पाकिस्तान में ये बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा मिल रहा था, like double the price.
Yeah, man.
Then finally our friend was coming from America.
Shout out to him. Yeah.
Shout out to Ali Hansraj who brought it for us.
This is from Amtul's dad,
These two.
and this is from my dad.
So when we had these three, we were like, okay, why not get like 6 more and make this into a installation?
Everybody asked us this.
कि हमने कहाँ से लिए? ये actually आपको मिलेंगे China market से, which is in southern Karachi. China market has a lot of other vintage stuff like record players and पुरानी इस्त्रियाँ and compasses and vinyls as well. ये भी हमने वहीं से लिए हैं.
Yeah, and then this is the bay window area, which you can
Is
see.
Patangir's pride and joy.
Pride and joy. आप दूर तक देखेंगे वहाँ समंदर चल रहा है और हमारे सामने सनसेट होता है. Now comes the most important part of the office, which is the statement of the office, which we were so skeptical about, which is gonna hype it up more, is the roof. If you just look at it, the ceiling.
The ceilings, the art.
It
the
is
string
probably
art.
the largest string art installation in Pakistan. It's 20 feet long, 7 feet wide. So it is a massive string installation. It took us around 2 weeks to make this happen.
40 kilos of nails.
40 kilos of nails. It was more than like another, I think 20-30 kilos of just strings.
Wow.
And we really mixed and matched it. We painted over it. It was a whole.
Yeah, first we
thing.
got a stencil made with the letters written, and then
Then we got the wood port, and then
Yeah.
we traced the stencil with our
nails.
with the nails.
and then we tore the stencil out.
Yeah, and then we
Painted it
painted
all
the
white.
nails. Yeah, and then we did 2 layers of red and then 1 layer of orange. I'm sure everybody's heard this so many times, but we're very proud of our roof because it came out perfect.
Ceiling.
Yeah, ceiling. We're very proud of our.
Rooftop तो फिर roof है
हाँ,
ना.
हाँ. We're very proud of our ceiling because it came out perfect.
हर दीवार की अपनी कहानी है. कहते हैं ना दीवारें भी बातें करती हैं. आपको लग रहा होगा कि ऑफिस खत्म हो गया, लेकिन अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है.